Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you Dill public testnet quiz. Okay, it is an airdrop. Let's assume you don't have any money, so you don't have any knowledge about how to participate. So this for you because you don't know how to make money from online. So watch this video and participate in this airdrop and follow the along the video and getting update. Check out description box and join in this telegram channel that I'm showing you today. In this till now, so in this telegram channel you will find this channel link in the description. Check out. So let's say you haven't any money, even I haven't any money, therefore I'm doing this airdrop testnet for making money, because I do work on grocery mall where I get a little sufficient money, but I need more money for getting financial freedom. Maybe you are like me, so here is me doing income, so you can do with me. So here is first submit your EVM address. Here is the saying that one link has in here, and submit your EVM address in your MetaMask wallet, that Ethereum BHC, same wallet being used. So climb, here you need to click on open it up, and here is open up in. So going through whatever browser you use usually for accomplish your testnet airdrop task. So especially I do five wallet, five browser for doing multiple. So here is used the Yandex browser for using, where has your MetaMask, use that on. Same thing would be happened. Save is my MetaMask is automatically getting notified by that apps, so it's going to be opened up. So put your password. So for here, let me see it. Okay, I'm going to go my 5 number account, and here I'm going to click the Ethereum for change it. Now I can go in here. Okay, back it or do the desktop mode for efficient seeing. So okay, already done everything. Follow Dill Twitter. So go through. If it does this problem, click on in here, click this pin button, and here is remove the Twitter and put X. Okay, because Elon Musk changed the Twitter name instead of Twitter name. And here is follow this account, and after following this account, click the arrow button. It will be done. Go to the connect Discord, that has already as well connect with Glax task, sorry, Glax website. Do use same insert EVM address to receive Dill testnet token. Put none if not interested. So here is your EVM address and click this next. Your Discord username that you did join, provide that on. So let's say you did, just showing you. So after putting it like this way, you will be done. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So maybe, okay, claim 100 points, you get it. So do this task done, because you need to do this task efficiently, and that's it. Maybe hopefully you get it. And check out description box for getting more airdrop testnet. Inside of this channel I do share every day. Okay, 86 people from different country. If I show those guy, they're from different country. If you noticed that they are from different country: Nigeria, Russia. Here, uh, I'm trying to create a group. Yeah, I will help them for getting money as well. So for getting paid, okay, for joining paid group where you can definitely make money. So I'm trying to create it. So who is interesting about it? So let me know. So I'm waiting for your comment. If you are interested about paid group, uh, write down yes, I want to join in paid group. So write down comment. I'll be definitely glad to